Good morning.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Yashasvi Dayya.
All right, Yashasvi. So, Yashasvi, tell us about yourself.
Ma'am, I am 12 years old. I am a resident of Northwest District of Delhi. I am currently studying in Government Boys Senior Secondary School, Bhavana, Delhi. I want to become an army officer. I am a keen learner. I like to explore things. My hobbies are to play kabaddi and to watch movies. My father and mother both are teachers. My father teaches maths and my mother teaches Hindi.
You like to play kabaddi?
Yes,
you
ma'am.
said Yashasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what do you know about this?
Ma'am, kabaddi is a game played between two teams. Each team contains 7 playing players and 5 substitution players. There are total 12 players in kabaddi. The positions of players in kabaddi are right corner, right in, left in, cover, left cover and center. Kabaddi is of two types: national style kabaddi and circle style kabaddi. Kabaddi can be played on two surfaces, on mud and on mat. India is World Cup champion and Asian Games champion in kabaddi. Pro Kabaddi League is the most popular Indian kabaddi league. Pro Kabaddi League Season 8 champions were Dabang Delhi. My favorite player in kabaddi are Pawan Shehrawat, Pardeep Narwal and Naveen Kumar. There are total 31 countries which officially play kabaddi.
Have you ever played?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay. So, tell me about your family.
Ma'am, my family is a nuclear family which contains 4 members. My father, my mother, I and my little brother. My father is a teacher. He teaches maths. My mother is a Hindi teacher. She teaches from class 9 to 12th. My brother is currently pursuing his education in 4th class. And ma'am, I am currently studying in 8th and I have qualified RMC written exam.
So, who has inspired you to in armed forces?
Ma'am, my maternal uncle has inspired me to join armed forces. Yes, ma'am.
What is he?
Ma'am, he is a lecturer of geography. Ma'am, his son was also preparing for RIMC from Haryana.
Okay, so is there any other person in your family who is working in armed forces?
No, ma'am.
Then, how did your maternal uncle come to know about this? Do you have any idea?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because my maternal uncle's son is preparing for exams in early age. Ma'am, he has also given Sainik School exam and RMS exam. And now, ma'am, he has given RIMC exam. He has qualified Sainik and RMS exam, but he cannot qualify RIMC exam.
How do you feel? You have cleared your written exam. So, how do you feel about it?
Ma'am, I am feeling very confident, and ma'am, I have more responsibility on me, and ma'am, now I am preparing for interview and I am giving my best.
Okay. So, out of in these armed forces, which appeals to you the most?
Ma'am, I want to join army.
Give the reason.
Ma'am, because I find my personal satisfaction in army, and ma'am, it is the most respected job. Ma'am, it is also a very passionate job. That's why I want to join army.
Okay. Yashasvi, some problem is going on between Ukraine and Russia. What is the reason?
Ma'am, the reason is that Russia and America are not so good friends, and ma'am, Ukraine wants to join NATO and the European Union, which is basically headed by America, and ma'am, Russia is not feeling good because they share borders with each other, so Russia is not feeling good to have a member of NATO so ma'am, America can settle his military posts in Ukraine, and Russia, there is a danger for Russia. That's why Russia has invaded Ukraine.
Okay, using 5 adjectives, describe yourself.
I am confident, smart, intelligent, responsible, and good looking.
Okay.
All right. So Yashasvi, I want to know about your journey for RIMC. How did it go? How did you prepare? What were the problems that you faced?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, on 18th October 2021, I went to my maternal uncle's house, and there his son told me about, my cousin told me about RIMC. Ma'am, I was very excited to know about RIMC because only 25 students are selected from each state, from the country, and one student from each state. So, ma'am, I collect information about that, and ma'am, on 24th October 2021, I started my preparation. And ma'am, from that day till 18th December, I worked very hard, and ma'am, in between I faced very difficulties. Ma'am, sometimes my English was not going well. If I start giving focus on my maths, so my English get affected. And ma'am, the most difficult challenge for me is that I have to qualify all 3 exams. So ma'am, that is the most difficult challenge for me, and ma'am, I have finally qualified. So,
Alright. Okay, Yashasvi. So Yashasvi, if you are not selected for RIMC,
yes, ma'am.
then what is your other plan? What is plan B for you?
Ma'am, if I am not selected in RIMC, I will get AIR1 in RMS.
Alright, okay. And why do you want to go to RIMC instead of Sainik schools or military schools?
And because only 25 students are selected from whole country, and ma'am, it is only one. There are many Sainik schools and RMS, but I think RIMC is a brand. And ma'am, the education there is very good. Ma'am, there is a computer for every student, and ma'am, the student teacher ratio in RIMC is 1:11. So ma'am, I can study very good there. And ma'am, it also concentrates on extracurricular activities. We can also pursue our hobbies and interest there. Ma'am, that's why I want to join RIMC.
Alright. Okay, Yashasvi. So, if I ask you this question that one thing that you want to change about your personality, then what would it be?
Ma'am, I am a very shaky person, and ma'am, I am underconfident. That's why I want to change that.
So basically, you
self.
want to work on your confidence.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Okay. So, Yashasvi, let's say that you are given a job by your senior, right? And you go to him after a week because he gave you a week time to complete that task. You go to him after a week with everything done, completed, done and dusted, and then your senior says that this is all waste. You have done the job very poorly, and you need to do it again. It's just so pathetic. So how would you handle that situation? How would you take that negative feedback?
Firstly, I will take the feedback, and ma'am, I will see what he says is actually right or wrong. Ma'am, is that actually right? So I will definitely improve that and resubmit it.
Alright, okay. So you are basically going to accept the suggestions that they are giving.
Ma'am,
and asking.
if that was good, so I will definitely accept. And ma'am, if that is not good, so ma'am, I will try to convince him.
Alright, okay, Yashasvi. So what does success mean to you? What is success for
Ma'am,
you?
I think, ma'am, for me, success is a goal, and ma'am, when I achieved it, I will see to the next goal. So ma'am, I think a person is never successful if he has achieved something. So then he have to look for the next.
Very nice. Okay, and what are your strengths?
Ma'am, my strengths are I am very confident. Ma'am, I have good management skills. I have good leadership skills. I am diligent and patriotic. And that's are my skills.
So you said that you have very good management skills.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you ever managed anything,
Yes.
any team, or managed anything at an event, any such
Yes,
role
ma'am.
that you have played?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. Ma'am, I have, when I was, I am the captain of my school kabaddi team, and ma'am, I have managed the team very well. Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, when I was preparing for RIMC, I was managing my school studies my sports, extracurricular activities, and preparation of RIMC too. So ma'am, that shows that I have good management skills.
All right. Okay. Ma'am.
Yeah. Yashasvi, one more question I want to ask you. If you are sent on a vacation anywhere
Yes ma'am.
in the world, so which place would you choose?
Ma'am, as I have interest in watching movies, ma'am, I will like to do to Mumbai and Hollywood. So ma'am, because so that I can see how movies are made and how they are edited, what is the process to make a movie, and that's why I want to.
If you are so much inclined towards movies and all, and you said you are good looking also, so didn't you ever think of going in this line?
Ma'am, it's very tough. Ma'am, definitely I have. When I was young, I want to become an actor, ma'am. But then I thought that in that way I cannot serve my nation. So ma'am, I want to do a job in which I can serve my nation, and ma'am, that's why I want to become an army officer.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, all the best.
All the
Yashasvi.
best.